as you
Right. Hi guys, welcome to another PK TV production. So, got the Elgato Green Screen, and we're about to unbox it here. So, let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this one, see what we got. Alright, that's one, that's two, that's three. Alright, let's take these off. Got this the right way. So that's the way we've got it. Alright. There's a lot to it. Alright, so I'll take this out. Oh, gosh, it's quite heavy. It's about 10-12 kilos in weight. Cool. Wow. Okay. What else we get? Get some sort of instruction manual. Cool. Put this back in here. Okay, what's it? This out of the way. Alright. Wow. Oh.
Hi guys, looks like the audio got a little bit screwy at the end there. So this is pretty much the green screen, as you can see, the Elgato Green Screen. And I'm going to show you some test footage of me in front of the green screen on a stream and see if you can judge for yourself. And this is the Elgato Green Screen, so I will be doing more videos with this in the future. Cheers. Now enjoy some stream. Okay, so we're doing a little bit of stream here. As you can see, the green screen is actually in effect. It's blurred out the entire background, and I'm blending straight into the actual gameplay itself. So this is a little bit of Mario Kart, obviously. So we're playing a little bit of Mario Kart, and enjoy. Okay, that's pretty much the green screen for the Elgato's green screen, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up, and yeah, check out the stream also on Twitch, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.